All right. What's up, everybody? 2 minutes until the open. New week. Fresh week. I might have gotten a little too excited about starting the YouTube channel again. Took some way unnecessary trades last week. Rushed some stuff. If it needs to be a no trade day, it needs to be a no trade day. I just have to keep that in mind. If it's not a good setup, if it's rushed, if I have to get to work, if I can't record, I can't record. I got to kind of get that through my mind. But let's see what today brings. Metrics driven trading here. Looking for front side. I say that, but look at that lower band bounce. Look at that lower band bounce, and then 238 to, that's almost 300. That's 300 bucks. So could have been. So stay the course. Front side moves. All right, CETX, looks like the press release they got is they secured a $1.2 million order. Now that's significant because the company is only worth $3.8 million. So, almost a third of the company, theoretically the company should grow today by, like 30%. It moved 43% on these two candles pre-market when the news hit. We have PRFX. The news on PRFX was they're acquiring an AI-driven solar analytics platform. So we'll see what happens today. PRFX is currently in a range. Let's see if it does an opening surge through 540. Testing 5. And CETX is just at a complete stalemate here. VWAP bounce, PFRX. It's a range. Not taking ranges. Not taking range trades. 1 second. What else we got moving? EFOI, major backside. SRM, penny stock, front side would be over like 95 cents. Ooh, see, that's the risk of the lower band. Lower band and daily support level was sitting right around 240, and that thing just flushed down to 215. That could have been a $200, $300 L if I would have taken that lower band. That's gross. We stick to the front side. Sticking to the front side. Day trade the front side. Let's go. Now we just have to find something and be patient on front side. Oh, this is front side. No, it's not. Scroll back a little bit and you realize it is not. 145, over 145, it might be front side. MACD showing front side. High selling volume though. Wow. PRFX flushing, it looks like. No, it's not. I had the 5 in my mind. It needs to get back oh, buyer at 478. Let's see how that holds. 1 second. Back. Let's change up the screen. SOBR. Seller at 140. 145. Resistance. Daily resistance at 157. Candles are a little wonky. Why can't I get the zoom where I want it to be? I still can't get the zoom where I want it to be. Come on. All right, that'll have to do. MACD's on front side, but clear front sides. Front side is going to be above 145. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. I don't know if I can trust SOBR. Wow, CETX is only up 6% now. That thing just totally wipe off. Sure did. Sure did. All right. This is going to be a true test of my patience. Okay. SOBR, are you to be trusted? That's a low. Let's see where this green volume goes. I was going to say that might be a low volume red candle, but the green volume isn't there yet. And we have 20 seconds left. So let's see what happens here. PRFX trying to break above VWAP. It's flirting with backside though. It's flirting with backside. What are the daily candles on SOBR looking like? Ooh. We got a 50-day moving average at 158. It's not that far off. That's disgusting. Those red candles on SOBR are just absolutely foul. Green coming through on the tape on PRFX. Nice pop. See if this thing wants some front side action. You know, the last time PRFX really flew, that daily move was 106% and it gave it all back. Gave it all back on January 24th. All right, SOBR, what are we doing here? It's like the bids just get wiped out. HCTI, penny stock, KWE, penny stock. It is front side though. What we got going here? Ooh, SOBR, what are we gonna do? 1 minute to make a new high here. For KWE. No new news on KWE, looks like. It's not great. So why is it up 100%? If there is news, it's not on TD Ameritrade at least, or whatever, Thinkorswim. Topping tail for KWE. Let's see if I get that near VWAP. Nope. Ooh, missed it. Pressure VWAP. Pressure VWAP. High day break. KWE. Pressure back on SOBR. No love on that VWAP bounce, really. A little bull flag there. A little bull flag action. Bull flag breakout. $96 to $106. Let's see what that was. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, about 40%. KWE, where's the next issue? Did we already map that out? One of 6 getting chopped. Ooh, a little hidden seller there at 106. There's a nice break. Can't say I don't love the, the breaks. 106 went to 109. So, I mean, that's what happens with some of these cheaper stocks, though. Where do I make the move? Halt Up's at 115. Halt Up is now at 116. All right, trying to halt up KWE. Looks like it will. Buyers piling in. Halt it up. SLBR getting smacked. I'm not going to trade this lower band. This got me in trouble a few times last week where I got distracted on a halt up. I'd say the halt ups that I traded didn't really resolve anyways, but still I wasted my buying power on something goofy. Now it doesn't look like this is going to be a traditional dip and rip because this is going to be opening up right at the same level, like 116, 117. So I'm gonna let it open and see what happens. I'll let it open and see what happens. If it dips below, if it opens below and goes below 116, I might take, if a bottoming wick is happening and the wick's getting bought up, I might take the breakout of 116. Maybe that's the play. Maybe that's the way today. Maybe that's the way. What do you think, Bull? Is that the way? In any event, it opens at 9:48 and 0.3 seconds. KWE now up 150%. SOBR. Low volume back to VWAP. A little rejection. There's got to be something else. Something else has to be on front side. Whoa. Oh, I was going to say that's KW. I was going to say that's front side. Excellent. That's also SRM. What is this, like penny stock day? Penny stock near $1 day? What's going on here? These things go in bubbles, though. It's like one stock moves and other similar stocks start to move. About 2 minutes for KWE. Okay, what's going to be the way? What's going to be the way? There's only been 3 red candles this entire morning. 64%. SRM trying to break 1. You know, I don't trade these near dollar stocks very well. That, you know, admittedly, but if these are the only front sides, good volume there on these last 2 candles too. If these are the only front sides, then this is what I'm going to have to deal with. Because we're only trading front side. Well, SRM still has to break 105 to be like clear front side, but that's all right. Let's go. Let's get dialed here. It's going to happen on KWE. Open. Needs to break 117. 14, 15, 16. Just staring at the tape right here. No love through 116. This is kind of the resumptions we were used to last week, or at least the first one. Halt down's at 97. New minute and 5 seconds. $117 looks a little less attractive now on the second minute for my risk tolerance. I say that, but last week's risk tolerance was like non-existent. 15. Looks like a hidden buyer at 113. Take that. Nice buyer. Get out before the halt if it halts up. Nice trade. I like that trade. Let's go. Waited for the accuracy. Let's go. Very nice. I took the break out of 117. By the time I hit the button, I got in at like a 118.5. I should lock it in. I should have just locked that up. Because first of all, I waited all day for that. Second of all, my kid's waiting to watch Barney on my computer. And just like we want to be a good day trader, we want to be a good father. And I think I will. I'm going to lock it up. I have more buying power, but after last week, I need some base hits under my belt. I'll take this $50 base hit all day. Recap this for the people that like the quick recaps. This week, after last week was the worst week of over a year that I've had trading. Again, I don't know if it's because of the camera. I don't know if it's because... Actually, I do slightly know if it's because of the camera. You know, I feel like I need... Now that I'm back on YouTube, I feel like I need to put out a video like every day that the trading market's open, just like I used to show up live here every day. So I forced some trades. I made some poor decisions. I made some bad trades for the thought of, you know, making the content for you guys, for the people, because I love the people. But putting a bad trade, you know, that doesn't help anybody. That doesn't help me. It doesn't help my account. It doesn't help anybody reviewing it. Well, I guess it does. It does help people reviewing it because you get to see what not to do. So, you know, the transparency thing is good. But don't force a trade. If I only have 10 minutes to trade and a setup doesn't happen in the 10 minutes that I'm trading, then it needs to be a no trade day. So we waited for front side. This entire thing was front side. The first real point that I was looking at was this 1 minute to make a new high here. Let me see if I can scroll in a little bit better to show you guys. This 1 minute to make a new high on this bull flag here. Actually, I don't know if it was this one, this candle, or this candle. It was this candle that I was looking for because it broke and then it kind of dipped down, and I was in my mind, I was like, ooh, I might have been shaken out there. It ended up resolving pretty nicely. Missed that opportunity, and then I didn't really want to just take the high of the candle of every single one of these candles. I wanted to wait for something, you know, a setup to happen. I like the dip and rip. Technically, this wasn't a dip. I guess it could. No, it wasn't a dip and rip. This is just a front side 1 minute to make a new high after the halt up. So the halt up, I was looking for the dip and rip. I was looking for this 116, 117 area to break. It got to 117. That was the high a day, and I took it on this next candle. So, and then we jumped out of the exit at 123 and some change. It got up to 126. So I'm happy with that exit. I'm happy. So applause. I'm applauding myself on a green day because I deserve it after last week. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. And drop a comment. Let me know how y'all did. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Peace.